Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will come to know how to enter the data through keyboard. Till now what we did, we came to know how to declare the variable, how to store the values inside the variable by initializing the same or hard code the same, and how to print the value by using print method. We completed till that, and now we will see how to enter the data through keyboard. So how can we enter the data through keyboard? We need to use one specific class. The class is known as scanner class. So scanner class is under a specific package which is known as util package. Fine. So what we understood over here, under util package we have a class. That class is known as, under util package we have a class. We have many classes. One of the class available under util package which is known as scanner class. By using scanner class we can perform keyboard input. Fine. So how can we do that? Let us see a small program. Before going to the small program, let me introduce how exactly the scanner class methods looks like. So as I discussed about the part 2 TOC where the macro contents were there, here if you will go to this, here you can able to see one of the class is known as scanner class. Scanner class, and now you can able to see all the methods available in scanner class. So what are all the method? Next line, next integer, next double, next boolean, next float. Fine. Next dot character art. So why we are using these methods and what is exactly scanner object? So let us have a look on in a program so that we can understand it clearly. As Java is completely object oriented programming, if we are using any system defined class to access the methods in what are all available inside the class, we need to create an object for that particular class. So how can we create the object for a class? We can easily create an object by using class name, object name equal to new class name. This is what the syntax of creating the object for the class. So if I want to, so now what we are discussing? We are discussing about scanner class. Scanner class is having different methods which has to be used for different type of data entry through keyboard. So for that reason we have certain methods available in scanner class. These are all the methods. To access these methods inside scanner class, we need to create the object. So what I need to do to create an object? I need to use class name is scanner, object I can say any object variable name equal to new scanner. Here I can say system dot in. This is the way I can create the object for the scanner class. What is the meaning of system dot in? System is the class, again out is the object for system class, in is the object for why we are using system dot in as a parameter? To accept the input from the system. So that is what the meaning of the statement. Fine. So now let us create an example, or let us create a code. I will just go to the same project, core Java project 1. Let me create a new class. Let us say the class name is let me say like this. Fine. So input integer input, I will just give the program name as int input. So I want to do the integer input over here. So let me give the program description to enter any number through keyboard. This is what the program description. Now what I need to do? I need to create one variable. Fine. So integer variable. So how can I create integer variable? One sec. How can I create integer variable? Data type, variable name. I will just give num1. So num1 can hold one integer. Now I do not want to hard code the num1, or I do not want to say num1 equal to any specific number. What I need to do is I need to enter the value for num1. How can I enter? I need to use the class called scanner class, object equal to new scanner, and as we discussed, it will have system dot in. So system dot in means input stream. It will accept the input through system dot in. So here, the moment you will write scanner over here, you can able to see the red line under that. That means it is expecting something. That is the reason it is showing the error. So what exactly it is expecting? What is the error it is showing? Scanner cannot resolve to a type. Why it is not resolving? We need to import scanner because it is under util package. So see this, I just clicked on that line, fine, and here I can able to see util package import java.util.scanner. You can write java.util.star if you are importing from here java.util.scanner. Now I want to enter number. I want to enter a number. Fine. So now what I need to do? How can I enter the number? So my for what I need to enter the number? For number 1 equal to sc dot. You can able to see next integer method over here. Fine. So now I will just say val of num1 each. Fine, num1. Now let me just execute this code. So the moment I will execute, it will ask me to enter the number. Let me say 11472. It's taking the keyboard input. Fine. So thanks for watching the video. This is the way you need to enter the integer. Thank you. Happy learning.